This is a project that lets me connect an Arduino to an HP Touchpad. So the Arduino can use the display on the touchpad as an output device to show the state of various sensors that might be connected to the Arduino, things like that. The goal was to make something that didn't cost too much. So I didn't want to add lots of shields to the Arduino, because my ultimate goal was to have maybe lots of Arduinos embedded around the house that I could go up to periodically, connect a display to, get the state of the Arduino, and that doesn't really work well if you have to put an ether shield on each Arduino and then connect each of those to a network. What I ended up doing was connecting into the touchpad via the headset jack. So the Arduino has to basically create signals that are compatible with the audio input of the touchpad. Think of the Arduino as doing a modem's job. So it takes the data that the Arduino is getting from its sensors, it converts it into a series of binary ones and zeros, and then each of those ones and zeros gets converted to a frequency that's then compatible with going over an audio connection. Then that goes into the touchpad, and on the touchpad side there's actually code running in C, because the touchpad's a Linux device, so there's code running in C to interact with the alpha layer, which is the audio layer on Linux, and it samples that incoming audio, detects what frequency it is at a given instant, converts that back to a series of ones and zeros, and then converts that back to the data that the Arduino is sending across. Once it gets there, I've got it inside the touchpad. What I then want to do is get it to a UI, some kind of application. So what's nice about what I've done is I've written the application in JavaScript with HTML, so it all runs in the browser. Now for that application to then get to the data that's coming in from the Arduino, it has to communicate over AJAX to the program that's interacting with the Arduino. So that C program that I mentioned actually provides a HTTP server that the JavaScript app can talk to. So let me put it all together and show you a demo.